This is a quick tutorial on how to use Flipgrid. First, go to flipgrid.com and enter the code given to you by your teacher. Click the arrow. On the top, you will see some instructions. Moving down the page, look for the green circle with the white plus and tap to record. The next step will be to authenticate your account. You need to have a Google account or a Microsoft account. You can use your student's Google account to log in. This is the recording screen. Click the red button to record. Hi! Click the pause when you're finished. Click the next arrow. This will allow you to see your recording. Take a selfie. Add some stickers and colors if you like, and click submit. You should now see your video on the grid screen.